Hangreentech has successfully produced functional packaging materials with Korea's first patented technology of new materials. We develop and supply an active functional packaging material that optimally keeps produce and other kinds of food fresh. Our innovative and freshness-keeping technologies are well recognized. Starting from the success in developing AR34, a new material technology in 2008, we have established a technology research center and systematically continued researching and developing new products with Seoul National University. Hangreentech's products are protected by patents and intellectual property rights. Hangreentech produces differentiated products with its top competitiveness. It has shown splendid development such as US FDA safety certification, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. Good export results, Korea's first functional wrap film, and the grand prize of Korea Trusted Technology Innovation Award. AR34 is patented material created by Hangreentech's own technology. It is a core technology behind the company's freshness-keeping packaging materials. In addition to the long maintenance of freshness and quality of food, the HAP3 material that restrains bacteria and fungi generated when food is stored has an excellent antibacterial function, and its effect has been verified. Four major functions of AR34 are shown considering the characteristics of various food types. First, AR34 absorbs and decomposes the ethylene gas created from fruits or vegetables to impede their ripening and prevent their decomposition. In addition, AR34 prevents the bacteria generation in a packaging material and suppresses mold growth. Furthermore, it autonomously controls the moisture of food and slows down the sourcing phenomenon of food to retain freshness. With Zippy's, a domestic functional packaging material brand, and Vivi Fresh, a brand for export, Hangreentech supplies functional packaging materials to both domestic and overseas markets. Main products are functional and flexible films, functional wrap films, package for food storage, biofood containers, freshness-keeping pads, and functional zipper bags. Hangreentech develops and manufactures diverse functional packaging materials for retaining freshness. World-class functional packaging materials for keeping freshness are being used to pack fresh food sold at supermarkets, convenience stores, or organic food stores. With the introduction of functional packaging materials, the expiration dates of fresh agricultural products get extended by 3.5 days on average, and the product disposal rate decreases. In addition, labor costs and expenses incurred in managing disposed products can reduce. The functional materials create excellent advantages, leading to cost reduction and high customer satisfaction.
한그린테크는 농산물과 신선식품의 유통기간을 연장하여 농가, 식품업체, 유통업체, 수출기업 모두의 이익이 되는 기능성 포장재를 공급하고 있습니다. 기존의 포장재와는 차별화된 독보적인 선도유지 기술로 우리 식탁을 더욱 신선하고 건강하게 전 세계 시장을 아우르는 액티브 패키징 기술 기업으로 앞장서겠습니다.
Our willingness creates an environment of healthy food and healthy lives. We want to supply products that meet the requirements of all customers to create new values of freshness. Green life, green technology. Hangreentech continues to contain the values of nature.